Hello everyone and welcome aboard Oasis of the Seas. We have a tour of cabin 10-143. Sorry for the announcement. You're gonna tap your card and head on in. He's not included.
I most certainly am. You book a cruise, I'll come with you.
He's just gonna show up in your cabin whether you like it or not.
Yeah, you might. Oh my god, that'd be horrifying.
But as you walk in, you have yourself a thermostat. It's the little old dial system with the master switch.
Hello? Oh,
boom.
You scared me.
Then you have the bathroom lights. Here's just some lights. And then this one just does the little...
Go, yeah, turn the main ones off and turn those ones on. Those are Pookie lighting.
Oh my god.
That's the Pookie mood lighting.
So, as you come in, of course, like I mentioned, you got a nice big mirror. Couple, really just that tiny little shelf and like some cubbies almost. Then you come in, knock Justin's bag out of the way, and you have a couple little shelves to put clothes in. You got yourself a nice safe, and then a big closet complete with hangers. Cool. Close the...
Those are gonna make a lot of noise over the next few days.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bad weather system rolling through here. But we have little side tables. You can throw your phone or whatever. There's no plugs or anything like that. I know some ships do have those, but not here on Oasis. We unfortunately need to split the beds. Very sorry for Justin, but we have to split the beds. Boo. And boo. But you have the option. You can do the big king bed, or you can split them up into two twin-size beds. No Pookie cuddle time. Well, maybe, but we'll see.
Don't worry. Vanessa fully separates the bed.
We won't tell your fiance about that.
Nah, she don't need to know anything.
But you also have the little switches here by the bed. Same thing, and I'm pretty sure there should be something for these, unless there's one underneath.
Wow.
Ta-da! But same thing, you got a little side table, you got yourself a phone. I couldn't tell you the last time I've used one of these phones. But
Looks like an airplane phone.
it does. And then you have, this is just a two-person cabin. It's not one of those four-people cabins, but sometimes they will fold out. But here on 10-143, it does not fold out into a bed. But it's a nice big-sized couch. And then you've got yourselves a pretty good-sized TV, cool mirror. And then you got a big desk, a chair, some cabinets, more cubbies.
Any cool knickknacks in there? Anyone leave any money?
No money. I'm out. I'm out. I want to go home.
I want to go home.
Then you got yourself a mini fridge. Yeah. So, and then, of course, last but certainly not least, the throne room. The bathroom. You got yourself a little thing. I don't think you can really get much in there, but nonetheless, cool. Couple glasses, big mirror to do your thing, a nice sink, fully functional, soap, and some more stuff down here. Not really a whole lot of room. Little mini trash can, some TP, a toilet, complete with the big suck from the cruise ships, and then a shower. Pretty decent size. I always like to get in these and like spread my arms out, but you can kind of like stick my elbows out and are hitting the sides. So not like a huge shower or anything like that, which they never are on cruise ships, but hair and body wash. And then, yeah, that's just about it. So, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of cabin 10-143 here on board the beautiful Oasis of the Seas. Stay tuned for the next episode as we are doing a full walkthrough tour of Oasis of the Seas. And of course, we also have our TikToks where we do a quick, short tour of the ship and of the room as well. So check out our TikTok as well. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.